Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this 36-inch ceiling fan. Now I personally don't know what name this ceiling fan is or who made it. So if somebody could please tell me who made the ceiling fan in the comments below, I will gladly put that name in the title above. But here's the light. I personally think this light is way too big for this fan, but that is how it was. And we'll start off with low. Very nice. Now for medium. Make some noise. That noise is not coming from the fan itself, it is coming from the light that is on the fan. And now for high. We never use high on this ceiling fan because it pushes way too much air, which is a really nice feature, but does also get very noisy. I really like this ceiling fan. And there's off. This is the only sticker on the ceiling fan. There's not much information on it, but hopefully enough information so somebody out there can figure out the name of this ceiling fan and who made it. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.